First-time boat owner here, lifetime boater, fisher, however. This is Adam Eckerman. What are some equipment and items that are must-have on boats that might not be obvious? First, Keith, what's in your ditch bag?
Well, you've got your EPIRB and or personal locator beacon.
Right.
Very important, because if your cell phone gets wet or whatever, you can't get a hold of somebody if you're out of range. So the EPIRB is going to work through satellite to be able to notify the authorities. Handheld VHF radio, you can talk to somebody, right? Mm-hmm. You've got your all the basics, right? You got your life jacket, you got your throw cushion, flares. Make sure that your flares are in date and good and dry. You got a whistle. I recommend everybody take a whistle and just tie it onto your life jacket. Each life jacket you've got in there. So if you end up in the water, you can, make sound. The little glow sticks, right. Little snap slalom glow sticks. Tie those onto your life jackets as well. So it's not a bright sunny day like it is now, but it's, you're coming home from a restaurant at dinner or something, and something happens and you end up in the drink. You can grab your life jacket, you're in the water, even though it's bright orange or bright yellow, it's still going to be dark with no light. So you can break that little glow stick, and then you're sitting out there glowing. And if there's a group of you, it's going to be, really easy to see. I've got a strobe light on my offshore type 1 life jacket. So where if you're going to be in the water for an extended period of time, that's obviously anything you can do to make yourself, more noticeable. As far as like having stuff on your boat that you may not think about.
Yeah, the not so obvious. Paper towels.
Yeah, I mean, a spray water bottle. Keep your electronics clean. Paper towels. A spotlight or a really good heavy duty, flashlight. A knife. So if you happen to get something hung up in your props or whatever, you can, take a knife and untie it or cut it loose. Knives are invaluable. Always have a knife on a boat or a razor knife.
You might want to invest in a good set of weather gear too. I swear, and it's like every time I don't bring weather gear, if there's not a cloud in the sky, next thing you know, you're getting rained on, you're miserable.
Yep.
And definitely well worth the investment, especially if it's cold. Good set of boots, maybe foul weather gear, because if your feet are wet, then you're miserable. Feet are wet and cold, and just keep it on the boat.
Stay dry. I mean, we don't have to. I mean, winter time, we can deal with some hypothermic stuff. But those of you that might be up in Michigan or Wisconsin or LOZ or anywhere, the water's cold. It gets really cold at night, and it doesn't take long for body temps to drop.
No, not at all.
It's one of my favorite TV shows now. What is it? Not Lone Star Law, but what's the one? Northwoods Law. There was the kickoff of that. But they deal with that all the time up there. The Rangers are out there, and what happens when somebody falls out of a canoe or a little boat or something like that, and they get sucked into the current. That's cold water. Yeah. You don't have a long time.